Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your device OS, the target app version, and that your chosen VPN supports per-app routing. Once done, pick a VPN with split tunneling or an app routing feature so only the chosen app uses the tunnel. Install and sign into the VPN and grant network or location permissions when prompted. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection so the next steps won't be interrupted. This saves time and prevents confusing failures later. Next, open the VPN app and navigate to split tunneling or per-app routing. You will add the specific app to the routed list and select whether it should use the VPN only or be excluded from the tunnel. Choose VPN only for privacy and bypass for local services. Once added, adjust DNS and protocol to match the app's latency or geo requirements, and enable the VPN kill switch if you need guaranteed protection. Make sure to save changes so the routing takes effect immediately. Finally, connect the VPN and then launch the target app to confirm it routes traffic through the tunnel. Check the app's location-dependent features and use an IP check inside the app if possible. If something fails, toggle the per-app routing off and on, try a different protocol, or restart the app and device to clear stale network state. Make sure you know where your VPN logs and credentials are, because if problems persist, you'll need that info for troubleshooting or support requests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.